Metro Vancouver home sellers appeared eager to enter the market to start the year, leading to significant year-over-year increases in newly listed homes in January. Let's take a closer look. Sellers listed about 5,600 homes on the MLS in January, a 47% increase compared to January 2024, and 31% over the 10-year average. The month ended with around 11,500 homes listed for sale across the region on the MLS, which is 33% above the seasonal average for the month. Along with this increase in new listing activity, sales continue to outpace last year's figures. Realtors registered about 1,550 home sales on the MLS in January, a 9% increase over this time last year. This is about 11% below the 10-year seasonal average. But is this demand outpacing the supply of new listings? One way we can measure this is through the sales to active listings ratio. This ratio measures the homes available for sale against the number of homes sold throughout the month to get an idea of supply and demand. Analysis of historical data suggests downward pressure on home prices occurs when this ratio dips below 12% for a sustained period. Home prices often experience upward pressure when it surpasses 20% over several months. The market overall stands in balanced conditions. January ended with this ratio at 14% for all homes. By property type, the ratio is 9% for detached homes, 19% for attached, and 17% for apartments. Because supply is beginning to outpace demand to start 2025, price trends saw little fluctuation in January across all segments. The MLS HPI benchmark price for all housing types in Metro Vancouver in January sits at $1,173,000. This is a 0.5% increase from this time last year. By property type, detached homes reached a benchmark price of just over $2 million, townhomes reached $1,105,000, and apartments reached $748,000. So, what's next for Metro Vancouver's housing market? That depends on the upcoming tariffs. If the tariffs actually come into force, the duration they remain in place, and the degree to which Canada retaliates will determine the impact to the housing market in our region in the months ahead, if any. For further housing market information, go to the Market Watch section of our website.